Hey, Mobile Glass here again, in Round Rock, Texas, working on a Ram 2500. This is a super heavy unit, big boy. There's a windshield chip here that we're going to be working on. Can't see it. What I'm going to do first, just let you know my process. Got my tools out here. The most important tool at this point is going to be that glass cleaner. I'm going to clean it all up, and then we'll take a look at it, and I'll explain the process as we fill the chip. Alright, now we got this side of the windshield clean. You can see what we're working with here. Let's try a little zoom. There we go. A little star brake, kind of a combination, half bullseye, star. Let's see it from the inside. I am way up here. These big truck. All right. Let's see if we can get it to focus on my finger. There we go. Perfect. All right. So that is before. And we'll have to compare that to after. First step, I have my tools out like I showed you. We have a Dremel drill, glass bit. What I'm going to do is actually drill right into the surface of the glass. So windshields are laminated. You have a surface of glass on the outside, a piece of glass on the inside, and that is going to be sandwiched together, glued to a piece of plastic on the inside. That's called laminated glass. I'm going to drill right where the rock initially impacted with this drill bit, and that's going to go right through the entire outside surface of the glass, outside layer. And right when I hit the plastic, or right before I hit the plastic, I'll stop. That's going to give me a nice clean area to fill in with resin or liquid glass. So it's a basically glue type liquid resin, and it won't harden unless we apply UV light. So we'll keep the UV light, obviously we're in the shade, which is perfect, off of it until we're ready for it to harden. So what we use to get that in there is a bridge, windshield repair bridge. So in the center you have a suction cup. You set that on the surface of the glass, flip that over, and it sucks right down, holds it onto the windshield. On the right, you see there's a stabilizer. It's this piece right here. That's just going to kind of keep it nice and stable on the windshield. And then, of course, the main part, the injector, this barrel here, has a separate piece called a plunger. And that plunger will remove this piece here, and we'll put the resin into that barrel. On the bottom, there's a little rubber gasket that's going to seal against the surface of the windshield with a hole in it, and that resin's going to go right through there into the crack, and we'll use this to screw it down and put pressure on it. So through pressure, we'll force that liquid glass into the cracks and fill it up and keep it from spreading, and also reduce the visibility. So I'll show you that here in a second. All right, I've drilled it out. You can kind of see the white area right there, a little dusty. It's just like glass dust from the drill. You drill down, not exactly perpendicular to the windshield, kind of on a slight angle, and you'll feel a give once you get down far enough, and it tells you you've gotten through the entire layer of the glass. You just got to be very careful. You don't want to drill into the plastic. So now I'm going to set up a mirror on the inside surface of the windshield so I can see a little bit better, and put the bridge in place. All right, we're back. I have the bridge removed because we got the resin to fill and cure. Now you can see where I drilled, right? This spot is pretty noticeable still. So what we're going to use is a pit resin, pit filler, and I'm going to put that right on the surface of the glass where that hole is, where I drilled. And we'll come back and we'll show how we use pit polish to clean the last little area up to make it a little less noticeable. All right, we are finished. Let's see how it turned out. If we can get it to focus. Let's check it out from the inside. It's very windy. I do apologize if it's hard to understand what I am saying. There we go. So you can see just that point where I drilled, same exact spot where the rock impact, but the cracks are pretty much completely diminished. Let's see if there we go. So see, the end result a lot better. They're not all going to turn out like that, so keep your expectations low so that we can over deliver, but normally they will turn out really good. So this is Mobile Glass. You guys need any help with windshield repair or replacement, give us a call, 512-983-4527. Take care.